is the front of the frame for the truck, back of the frame. So these would all bolt together in the middle. Motor there, shut up 3D printer. The motor will then have a gear there, drops down a gear, and then the prop shafts all join up. So let's get building. So we got, this is the half shaft for the front drive axle, so it's got a constant velocity joint over here. This is the other half of the steering bit. So this is the front axle, as you can see. We've got the steering beam on. That's where the spring will mount. We'll get a spring. It's just a standard Meccano spring. Pop that in there. Oh. Starts in nicely, and that will give us the shock absorbing. And then if I turn it over, see there's like a chamfer there, and that slots with that chamfer here. That plops on there, shuts that down, and we should have a front axle, hopefully. Just got to wait for the other joint to print. 13% done, so let's keep building. So both parts of the front axle are printed now, so we just got to wait for the tiny little bits which go on the end here, which the wheel mounts on, and then the front axle should be done. Hopefully they're going to work. So all the front axle is together. And so if I get this wheel, hopefully it's all bolted together. This should sit nicely on there, like it is now. Then we've got the full steering function. I had to cut this front mount off. So the steering would be a bit better. Still not brilliant, but it works. So over the next week I need to smooth these axles out a bit, because they're still a bit sticky, and the back one's not in pieces, but they are, all the bits are here somewhere. Print some tyres for it, mess around with the gears a bit, but otherwise than that, this is almost finished. So all the suspension's on. I need to print the new suspension mount for the front, get the spring, this new suspension will mount on there. Other than that, it's pretty good.